It is 8:30 AM. Here we go again. This is aesthetic. I am in my 8:30 advanced probability theory class, and as of yet we are the only people who have shown up, and I feel like there's a good chance we might be the only people who showed up to this lecture. Back from lectures, and I have a load of work to do because I had an advanced probability theory lecture in the morning, then a 3-hour break where I just did my dissertation, and then an option pricing lecture in the afternoon. And in those 3 hours I was working on my dissertation, and I'm almost done with another section, well, the draft of another section. I'm not going to actually be done with it for weeks and weeks and weeks, but I need to get this draft to my supervisor so that I can get feedback on it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll catch you later. It's about 10 o'clock and I'm feeling snacky, so I'm going to make myself some porridge. Just remembered while I was making my porridge that I have another quiz tomorrow for my Graphs, Networks and Algorithms lecture, where we have to do 6 quizzes over the term. We have to pass them all, the pass marks 100%. Anyway, you don't need to hear the details. What's important is that I forgot that this was tomorrow, so I have not prepared for it. Luckily I don't start till 11:30 tomorrow, so that's what my morning is gonna be. It just completely slipped my mind with travelling and everything, so that's not good. It's a good job that I just remembered, otherwise I'd have been showing up there like gonna eat my porridge, watch my video and go to bed. I just got out of the lecture and I'm heading to the library to meet Cassie and to grab lunch. It was an exercise class, actually not a lecture, which I find very useful because something that I struggle with is that lectures are very theoretical and we're not usually shown how to apply stuff, we're just taught concepts. So I find exercise classes very helpful when we have them, which is not very often. And now I'm going to go meet Cassie in the library and grab some more lunch before my afternoon classes. I'm in the maths building. I've just had 2 hours of probability theory, which I still have absolutely no clue what is going on in, and I now need to leg it halfway across campus to get to a quiz I need to take, so that's where I'm going next. Some of my flatmates are going home now, but I'm meeting Cassie after my quiz. Oh, this is aesthetic. Yeah, this is cute.
It's very cute. Hold on, I'll get in front of you a little bit. Editing Claire's gonna have to slice this bit.
I'm looking everywhere, like nobody come down any of these paths.
I'm walking backwards, you warned me.
Jeans, the boots,
Or
eyes to match my bow.
yes.
Wait, let me get your makeup as well.
I mean, my makeup's
Here's
not that
Cassie's
poppin'
makeup look today. It is popping. Don't lie.
It's au natural.
Don't lie. Wait,
I mean,
where's the good
I have so much
lighting?
makeup on.
Oh, in this lighting. Let me see the
sparkly.
sparkles. Wait, turn so that the light is on it.
You see.
Eyes down.
Eyes down.
Oh, I see the sparkle.
Sparkle. Kylie eye glaze.
Sparkle. Cute, and those earrings we love.
Boom. Thank you.
What are you going to do for the rest of the day, Cassie?
You know, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna see the new Fenty makeup products.
Oh
You can
yes,
bleep me.
I'll bleep that, don't worry. I'm sure everyone will understand.
You are welcome to join. I want to see those eye pencils.
Oh, I'm going to come into town with you very briefly, and then I need to rush back to get a video up that I've been
which one's
meaning to put up for ages. It's like a bullet journaling one.
Oh, that one, cute.
But yeah, so that's the plan.
It's super light.
Get the Doc Martens in the shot.
Get that. Claire looks super graceful.
No, don't worry, I'm not filming. I'm not filming you, I'm totally filming myself. We're going to head into town, and then I'm going to post a video. And then also I have a load of work to do, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm back and I'm sweating absolute buckets, but I decided not to go into town in the end just because I have so much to do. So I'm going to eat some porridge and post my video and do some work and hopefully get everything done before dinner. Oh, and by the way, I had my quiz earlier, and I have, sorry for people who've watched my videos before because I've explained this like 10 times, but I have 6 quizzes that need doing, and you can repeat them as many times as you want, but there's only an hour scheduled every week where we're allowed to take them, so we only have a certain amount of hours to do them in. Anyway, I attempted 2 today. I did 1, but I didn't do the other one because I rushed it and messed up, and the pass mark is 100%. So I've done another one, which is fine. I've done 4 now, I think, out of 6, and it's only week 3, so I'm like ahead of schedule. I have 11 weeks of time to do this. It's not like I'm not going to get them done, but it's kind of annoying that I did the whole second one and then messed it up because I was literally entering, where is the kettle? The quizzes open and close in the lecture hour, so they open at 25 to and they close at 25 past. And the second quiz, I rushed it so much and I was inputting the answers while the clock was on 24, and I was like, this could tick over any second and the quiz could close and I need to get the answers in, so I didn't check them or anything. I just like typed them all in really fast and submitted, so I probably just made like a typo or something like that, which is annoying, but oh well, I got 1 done, so that's something. And now I'm gonna make a coffee, eat some porridge and do some work. What does this go under where it keeps doing this? Right now I'm back in my room trying to upload a video. Actually, I'm not even at the upload stage. I'm trying to compress a video so I can get it uploaded. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. This always takes forever. This is my least favourite part. I love making YouTube videos, but this is definitely my least favourite part of the whole process. It takes a very long time, at least for me. Like, maybe I'm just not very efficient at it. But anyway, other than that, I'm now gonna go eat dinner with my flatmates, and then after dinner I have some work that needs doing, and then I'm gonna just pass out in bed probably. Posted the video that I wanted to post yesterday, but I finally got around to it today, and it's 11:45. I still need to book train tickets because I'm going back up to London on Monday next week, which is very soon now, so I need to book those train tickets. I'm shattered. This was just one of those weeks where a lot happened at once.
I've had a week.
I am about to go meet my flatmates in town to get a hot chocolate. Legging it around my room to get ready because Cassie just called me to say that they are out of university and heading into town right now. So they are definitely going to get there before me. Okay. Off to meet my flatmates to get a hot chocolate. And I'm running super late as usual. Although in my defense, they did just call me now to say that they were heading in. So, sorry guys, I am going to be late. I haven't even done up my bra, but who has time?
It's so cute. You're gonna wear it. You're gonna use that. And it's gonna go with all your clothes. Because I bet we are like
such enablers.
I know, you are awful. Okay, I'm sorry. I got a reusable cup, a reusable bag, and
Just saving the environment.
I am. I'm incredible.
We are in town. We just went and got hot chocolate, and then Callum recommended a vintage store, so we went and had a look in there. It was a good rack. And what did you get, Callum?
Got a jacket.
He did. We're doing the fashion show. Model that jacket. Give us the over-the-shoulder look. Yes. See you later.
You know what I've realised?
What?
I'm still desperate for Lynn.
Okay, well, thank you for telling me. See you later. I have got some work that I've been putting off for a second. I had a fun afternoon out, and now I'm gonna get some editing done that I was meant to do this morning, but I just didn't want to. And then I'm going to Skype my cousin. Exeter is actually a really great city for vintage fashion shops, and would definitely recommend checking them all out if you are living in Exeter or if you're an Exeter uni student. And tomorrow we're all going to a vintage kilo sale, which they come every like 3 or 4 months, I think. Cassie and I went to one at the beginning of November, and we full on came out with ball gowns, but I also found some really cool jeans and a nice top. And yeah, it's £15 per kilo, so obviously this is not sponsored, but if you are an Exeter University student, get yourself to the vintage kilo sale. They are very cool. And also get yourself to some of the vintage shops in Exeter, because there's a lot of them, and fast fashion is not it. Look how shiny it is. Look how shiny. Where are we going, Cassie?
We're going to the kilo sale.
Yes! And we have dressed appropriately.
We're ready.
We're ready to try some stuff on.
Sharp enough to cut glass. And then show the braid.
Oh, yeah.
And braid.
Braid in the back.
Braid game. So cute. Oh, that was an over the shoulder. Yeah.
Nice leggings.
Yes.
And also a vest. So I am ready. I'm gonna get there. Jumper's coming off. Trying on all the clothes. It's gonna be good.
We're not amateurs anymore.
No, we're efficient. We've done this before. Last time the trying on was difficult. We tried on full-on ball gowns. I think I had jeans on. I think I went in jeans. That's how unprepared we were.
That's the thing. We were just children then.
We have learned.
We have learned.
We had to get in this little tent thing to try stuff on.
Yeah, and the zipper didn't work.
It's not happening this time. We're prepared.
Hello.
Yeah, it's not a...
Where do we even begin?
That is a lot of choice.
I'm gonna start here. Super dresses here.
Straight for the dresses. We have made it to the Exeter vintage.
For completely ridiculous and in no way practical. Yellow, purple, like a green jumpsuit thingy. This has a ruffle on it.
It's very cute. It's very cute. We love. I'm back from the vintage sale. It was great, although quite busy compared to the last time we went. I think it's got more popular since. And they had a lot of really cool and quirky stuff, and I'm going to show you what I got. So that's everything that I got at the vintage sale, and I'm really happy with it. Both jackets together came out to under £20, and the sunglasses were, I think, £6. So bargain. I've now got quite a lot of work to do. I have some dissertation stuff to run over because I'm seeing my supervisor tomorrow. Plus I've got a presentation to run through for Tuesday, some general lecture preparation, some quiz revision, which is what I feel like I spend all my life doing. and yeah, just lots of work to do. I'm so bad at this. What am I even doing? This presentation that I'm going through now, that I'm supposed to give on Tuesday, I don't know what's going on. I'm over it. I've had enough. I don't think I'm going to do anything else interesting today, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you very much for watching, especially if you got all the way to the end, and I will see you in the next one.